Hello friends, I am Gurkirat. This video is focused on helping you to learn how to spell and count in French from 1 to 20. In this video, you will learn easy pronunciations and at the very end, there is a short quiz to make you understand the numbers in a better way. So, stay tuned till the end. Now, without any further delay, let's get started. Now, the first text will be a French number, the second will be its pronunciation, and the third will be followed by its translation in English. So, let's start. So, the first one is It has a nasal sound at the end. Which means 1. Do. It means 2. Toi. It means 3. Cat. It means 4. Cinq. It means 5. Six. It means 6. Sept. It means 7. Huit. It means 8. Huit. Neuf. It means 9. Neuf. This. It means 10. This. Now, till 10, it was really very easy. But after 10, it will change a bit. Let's see how it goes. Onze. It means 11. Onze. Douze. It means 12. Douze. Treize. It means 13. Treize. Quatorze. It means 14. Quatorze. Quinze. It means 15. Quinze. Seize. It means 16. Seize. Dix-sept. It means 17. Dix-sept. Dix-huit. It means 18. Dix-huit. Dix-neuf. It means 19. Dix-neuf. Now the last one is vingt. It ends with a nasal sound. Vingt. It means 20. Vingt. Now it's a short quiz time. Let's see how much you have learned from this video. Let's start. Now the first one. How do you say number 13 in French? Is it trois? Or is it treize? Trois or treize? So the second one is, how do you say 15 in French? Is it quinze? or is it cinq? Is it cinq or is it quinze? And the third one is, what according to you is dix-neuf? Dix-neuf. Is it 9 or 19 or 13? And the last one, what is dix-sept? Dix-sept. Is it 17 or 7? So now write down your answers in comment box along with how much you have scored in this. Let's see who will win this one. Now that's it for this video. After watching this, you will be able to pronounce numbers in French. I hope you all like this video, and if you are new to this channel, please feel free to comment and like on this video. Along with this, please subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.